Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Beat. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, giveaways. We have an unboxing and a giveaway for you in today's video. We are going to unbox the April iPsy Glam Bag. One of the items in here we're going to give away to one of you. My giveaways are really easy. Just watch the videos in their entirety. Be subscribed. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know. Saw these so long ago. I don't remember what's in here. I do know the one item that I picked, but I don't remember what any of the other items are. I want to welcome anybody who is new here. Thank you for checking us out. And for all my returnees, you know that I love you. I do giveaways all the time on this channel. Some of you guys have dubbed me the Queen of Giveaways, and I'll take that title. I love giving back and making somebody's day happy. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of April. It is the Queen palette, Fumi Injuvious. I'll put a link for that in the description box down below. It's under the current giveaways section, and there's multiple giveaways there, so make sure that you guys enter those as well. As far as what I have on my eyes today, it is the Natasha Denona Anya palette. It's normally $48, and I know this is in an add-on for kind of a different company. I say kind of because they're owned by the same umbrella, but I know this is available right now on BoxyCharm add-ons if you guys want to snag that for 12 bucks. So like I said, this is the iPsy Glam Bag. It is $12 a month. There are 5 items in there plus a bag. Most of the time they are deluxe size items. I have already unboxed the iPsy April Plus bag, and there's a giveaway in that one too. I'll leave that in the description box down below as well for you. If you are interested in checking out iPsy, I do have a code for them. It'll save you some money, and it gets me some extra bonus points whenever I want to purchase anything in kind of their add-on sales as well. If you do use that link, I appreciate it so much, but obviously no obligation to do so. So let's unbox the iPsy Glam Bag for the month of April and figure out what we're giving away to one of you. So the bag looks like this. Kind of reminds me of lips right here on the tab. And then here it says Force of Nature with the iPsy logo underneath. So it says, watch your beauty skills and your makeup kit thrive with these 5 new Glam Bag products valued at over $50. And I kind of have a problem with these saying valued at over $50 because, come on, they're samples. So the first product in here is my choice item. You get to choose one of the items. I love this retinol. Love, love, love it. So this is the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. This powerhouse serum gives you the best of traditional retinoids and natural retinol alternatives. It is a potent 6.5% retinol blend and smooths fine lines, brightens dark spots, minimize the appearance of pores, and boosts skin elasticity and firmness. Tip: smooth onto clean skin at night and follow up with your moisturizer. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $85. And how I use my retinoids, I use them every other night. And my skin can take it at the full concentrate. When you're first starting out with retinoid, kind of mix it in with your moisturizer and do it every couple nights. And then you can kind of like, you know, go to 2 nights a week if you want to, or if you want to do it one night, if your skin tolerates that, you can go to that. Mine, I don't have to mix with the moisturizer anymore. I put this on, it tolerates it, and then I put my moisturizer on after that. Hey honey, Boost It Up Rich Moisturizer. Get ready to glow. This luminous cream plumps, tightens, and moisturizes to give dry, dull-looking skin a dewy, luminous look. Plus, it's infused with honey to minimize redness and inflammation. Tip: use it as a last step in your skincare routine, both morning and night. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $51. And I like that it seems like they're trying to pay attention to more of, you fill out your profile, and because before I was getting stuff for oily skin, I don't have oily skin, and it seems like I've been starting to get more stuff suited towards my profile lately, which I really, really do appreciate. Milk Makeup. This guy seems to be going around these subscription boxes lately. This is the Milk Makeup Kush High Volume Mascara Mini. No lash left behind. This conditioning mascara is infused with hemp-derived cannabis oil to make your lashes long and lush. And it's heart-shaped fibers that lock onto the lashes for major volume and lift. Plus, the tapered brush has a crisscross bristles that coat every last lash. Tip: wiggle horizontally through lashes from roots to end. Turn it vertically to coat lower lashes. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $24. And I just got rid of the other mascara that I was using, so it's time to open a new one. It does have kind of a thicker wand. I wish that it had a little bit of a smaller one, but there she is. Feel Beauty 4D Hyaluronic Acid Under Eye Cream. No more tired eyes. This multitasking eye cream uses flower extracts to minimize dark circles, plus moisturize squalene and 4 drops of hyaluronic acid to create a smoothing and plumping effect that's both instant and long-lasting. Tip: use your finger to gently pat a small amount around under your eyes. This is a deluxe size sample. Full size retails for $45. This sounds really, really cool. I think I'm going to be using this one tonight. Nomad Cosmetics. Nomad and Tuscany Intense Eyeshadow in Imperative. This shimmery rose quartz shadow is the perfect shade for spring, and thanks to grapeseed oils, this moisturizing formula has the most incredible color payoff. Secret word: color. Tip: apply to inner eye corners to lighten up your eye area. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size version of this palette does retail for $29. Here's what the inner packaging kind of looks like. Ooh, this is a really, really pretty shade. I think it almost make it like a good highlighter shade as well. So I thought it was pretty good. I mean, love, love, love this. This sounds really cool. I needed a new mascara and the dry moisturizer. And the moisturizer for dry skin sounds cool. I am happy to give this to one of you. I don't really do single eyeshadows that much. I just forget about them and don't grab for them. So I would really love to give this to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill that out. Make sure to only fill it out once. Put on it that secret word, because it's going to ask for that, and also put on it your YouTube name, because I do verify that yes, you are subscribed to the channels, because I do this as a way to give back to you guys. Do not fill out that Google form link more than once, and do not put that secret word in the comment section below. Both of those items will get your entries deleted. You can get bonus entries, and I'll put the bonus entries in for you. So how you get bonus entries is if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beauty, AMA, A-M-A, and the letter B. And then if you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm really trying hard to grow the channel here, because I love doing giveaways, and I've got some really big ones that I want to do, but I got to get this monetized first. I've hit my subscriber count, lagging behind on the watch time hours. I think I'm at, last I saw, 2,500. So those watch time minutes are going up, and I can't thank you guys enough. And if we can just keep on going so I can get this monetized and do more fun stuff for you guys. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you. Giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. And make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. Let's have this giveaway go through May 7th, and then let's have this giveaway go through May 7th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. Somewhere in that week of May 12th, I'll do I kind of do like a spin the wheel where I put in people's names. I'll just take their first name and first initial of their last name, and I'll put that in, and I'll put in if they have bonus entries into this spin the wheel. We kind of do it here so you guys can see, you know, who's all winning what. Because I try and be straight up with you guys. Because I'm always straight up with you guys. There's no funny business here on the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button and mark that to all. And then if you are watching this on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. That way you can receive notifications from YouTube, because I want you guys to know when I upload, and I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking them out. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye!